Right now, I'm along Fort Portal Bondiwujo Road, taking on 52 kilometers beyond Fort Portal. I'm heading on to Semliki National Park, which lies on the Uganda Democratic Republic of Congo border within the western arm of the East African Rift Valley. That is specifically in Bondiwujo district. I am heading on to visit not the entire park. My special interest is in the Sempaya hot springs. So I'll stop at their Sempaya gate. People, I've just reached the hot springs, birding, nature walking, all these things are here. So welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Erina TL, and I am far and beyond Fort Portal. I think this is Bondiwujo side. We will be getting to know. Let's get to the offices, but just see everything around here is so green. The hills, the mountains, and everything. Just even before I get into, welcome to the hot springs, birding, nature walking, and all those. That's what we're gonna have. Yeah, your girl is determined to bring you all the beauty that lies in Uganda. Just to tell you a little about the national park as I wait for my guide, it is bordered by Rwenzori Mountains to the southeast, Democratic Republic of Congo to the west, and Semliki Flats and Lake Albert to the north. It's always a busy place as schools come for geographical tours and other people, tourists always come around, but this time around, because we're in the pandemic times, I only found one van which belonged to just one family. This is how much the pandemic has affected tourism. Sempaya Hot Springs and Semliki National Park at large is also under or controlled by the Uganda Wildlife Authority, and their mission statement is to conserve and sustainably manage the wildlife and protected areas of Uganda in partnership with neighboring communities and other stakeholders for the benefit of the people of Uganda and the global community. After making a payment of approximately $5, you are advised to change shoes as you're going to be walking into a forest. So safety is key. I had to change to gumboots for safety on my trip, and I would advise everyone, always follow the advice of your guides. If they tell you change shoes, please do.
That's how when it comes to my nature. You said, are you up? Engage my client.
Okay. My dream is to travel the whole of the world. I started in January. As I was enjoying the nature walk within this park, I saw this tree that really looked burnt down. My guide tells me these are minerals that ate up part of it, that it looks burnt. And I thought it could not exist for any more years, but he says it's been like that for over 200 years.
Which you are going to see on its you can first look at it.
No. What?
And it is
They are the ones that ate up that part.
That is
That means this tree after some time is going to be normal.
after some, not because it's around 250 to 300 years. This is one of our oldest species.
What is it called?
This is Milinus or Yomuvule.
The one which gives good timber. They are nuts.
They are called magnetic.
Magnetic. Are they eaten?
They are basically being eaten by our primate species. Those are the monkeys, all kinds of monkeys. So we have black and white, baboons, great.
Guys, this is interesting. You know how I love forests. I'm already in love with this place. Ooh. Now I see why I had to put on the boots.
You have not yet seen. This is almost like an orientation.
What?
And now, this is just the fresh water that comes from the Lindor Mountain.
Oh.
These are basically prepared by chimpanzees, gorillas, and all sorts of monkey species.
This one they call the fig tree of the Bible.
It's the one.
So that means those things are also eaten by human beings. I can test these ones. Hey, they are ready now.
Yes, you can take those which are ready. They are yellowish in color.
Now these ones are not. I missed. I was going to try out the food of the chimpanzees. Behind me is a spot where a geothermal survey was carried out to find out if our hot springs could generate enough thermal energy.
I think for Kenya, they have safeguarded their hot springs, and at the same time, they are utilizing all developed countries, even in Europe, Asia, their hot springs are there, and it will give the physical plan. We must have an environmental, they call it environmental accessibility.
As we continued our walk, I found this buttress route that really caught my attention. I'm told the chimpanzees and the gorillas love them so much because they use them as drums. In case one gets lost from the crowd or from the rest, they can always bang on those, and others, wherever they hear the sound from, they can always try to trace them, or they bang back and then they trace each other. Wow. I love this communication skills.
America's support you.
What a name.
Oh, Sub-Montana in Botanical.
Sub-Montana. Even this one is this one.
That's the main eaten by these all monkeys.
I'm still laughing about the name male testicle tree. Like, it's only males with testicles. Still, they would say testicle tree or something. My good people, join me in the next vlog as I take you to the hot springs. I just didn't want to make this video any longer, and yet I didn't want you to miss out on the nature walk I had as I was heading to the hot springs. It's been your girl Erina TL, and I appreciate you for all the love and support.